Hello, good day, guys. It's your boy Young Lord Webmaster from Technolix Nigeria. And in this series, I'm going to be teaching you how to actually make money with your phone doing graphic designs and cropping pictures. Basically, cropping pictures. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, please click on the subscription button and also click on the bell notification button so that you get notified for every single video we post. And if this video is going to make your life kind of easy, and if it's gonna add an impact to your life, please do not forget to hit the share button and smash the like button also, so that it will help a lot of people like you to know to see this video and also follow this path. Okay, so like I always say, without further ado, let's get creative. All right, welcome back. Now I am going to be showing you some few sites where actually you can make money. You can do works for clients and you get paid on dollars, in dollars. Okay, yeah, you get paid in dollars for some works, for some jobs you do. And in this series, actually, we're going to be using the graphic design and you know the background removing, removal and other stuff. So you don't have to worry if you don't have any idea about graphic designs and other stuff. So um you're covered. It's 100% for beginners. Okay, so in the first website we're going to be going to is the Fiverr is actually a freelance website where you post your gig, like you come post what you can do, and then get clients can come and order for what you actually do, and you understand. So you work for them remotely and you get paid after they pay you after you deliver the job. Okay, so there's an escrow Fiverr has a very strong escrow, so you don't have to worry about doing work for a customer and then don't get paid. Okay, so that's the first website. The second website I'm going to be showing you, it's Upwork. Okay, Upwork is actually a freelance website too, where you actually work for clients and get paid as a freelance. Okay, as a freelancer, you actually come here, post your gig, and then people hire you, and you here actually what you basically do is proposals. Okay, you send out proposals to customers who want to who wants your services. You send out proposals to them. Okay, when they like maybe your kind of proposal and how it looks like. I just said how it looks like. Okay, fine, how it looks like. They actually hire you, okay, to work for them, and then you get paid. Okay, so now this guy is looking for a website to header fixing. Okay, website header fixing, and his budget is for $5. Okay, we're not really interested in all of this because we're not doing the web development stuff. So we're going to be searching for background remover. Okay, background remove, or just say remove background. Okay, photo background, remove photo background. Okay, and let's see how many jobs we find. Oh, like here it says I need a Photoshop master, and okay, I need a background removal expert wanted. $10 to be paid. Okay, you can actually come here and post. uh it was posted 2 hours ago, so you can come here and submit your proposal. When you submit your proposal, okay, this person, you could be lucky, this person can hire you and you can do this job for this person. Okay, and then you get paid $10. Okay, say I have 15 images of Amazon products photos, which is very simple and easy. There's no group or complex images, only simple product single. I have only 10 hours time to complete this project. If you can, please message me by writing background removal expert at the top of the cover letter. Only a serious candidate applies. Okay, so well, these and how many people have submitted proposals so far? 20 proposals, and then out of 50 proposals. Well, I really don't like Upwork because of this. So we have another website called freelance freelance. Okay, freelancer. Sorry, free. What nonsense? What nonsense? Freelancer. We have another website called freelancer.com. Okay, freelancer is also another freelance website where you can earn money, actually doing jobs online for clients and delivering jobs online for clients. We have 5 bucks. We have 5 bucks. Five, was it, is it 5 bucks? Yeah, I think 5bucks.com. 5bucks.com. 5 bucks. Let's just search it on freelance website. Let's just search it on freelance. Let's just search it on Google. Where Well, I don't think I have it. I'll be dropping all the links on the description below on okay, we have Guru also. Guru is also a freelance website where you can, yeah, where you can also post your works, and then you get hired for to do some jobs, okay, to perform some jobs. So that's all for today's video, and that's showing you where you can actually get clients from. In the next video, I'm going to be making a video of how to actually crop these pictures, how to approach, how to set your gigs, and how to approach clients for you to do work for. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please don't forget to smash the subscription button. If you're just coming in new, this is Technolix Nigeria. We teach you how to make money online through crypto trading, through freelancing, web development, and other stuff. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.